Hi all, welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age. Today we're going to look at converting a city to a beautiful black and white. We're going to start with this image, and we're going to first of all go into our light panel. We're going to add a little bit of contrast, +7, bring the highlights down a little bit, so we take those bright spots down. We're going to go -15. Let's pump up the shadows to +34. And then we're going to leave the whites and blacks as they are. Go into the curve, add 3 points to the curve. On the top point we're going to pull that up slightly, and on the bottom point we're going to pull that down to add a little bit of contrast, and then press done. Next up, go into colour, and now we're going to change from colour to black and white, but first of all add a little bit of vibrance. We're going to go +17 on the vibrance, and then click on black and white to convert it. Go into mix at the top here. For reds we're going to pump that up to +21, and for oranges we're going to go up to +23, and then go into blues and pump that up to +32, and finally yellows we're going to add +24, and then press done. Next up we're going to go into effects, and now for clarity let's pump that right up to +51, and then go into detail. And for sharpening we're going to go up to +76, and we're going to mask that off, and this makes sure that we only sharpen the contrast areas and not the smooth areas of sky. So let's go to +56, and that's it. Let's press on the image and hold. You see the before and then the after. Now we want to save that as a preset, so press the settings, the 3 dots at the top, create preset, give your preset a name. Let's call this black and white city. Press the tick, and now that's added to the user presets, and now we can apply that to any other image. So let's go into another image. Let's hit our preset button, and we've got the black and white city. Press the tick to apply. Let's try it on this one. By the way, if you want to download the preset, I've added a link in the description for you, and check out on screen some of my other presets. Thanks very much for watching, guys. It really was appreciated. If that's useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see some more. I'm posting these every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Take care.